have here again a wheel stretching tool for the watchmaker. This one is very beautiful. There's a dog here as a brand, and yeah, so let's show the tool from all sides. And then let's see if I can give some explanation. So here, when I rotate this, these two wheels here are rotating, and I can put my small gear here in between, and between these two wheels, and by making there a 360 rotation, I can stretch the wheel and change the diameter a tiny little bit with this press here. This goes into the vise. With this button I can have I can adjust the size here of the gear. With this one I can see if it is straight. Here, with these two screws I can adjust the slide for this movement. And these two pins here are to hold the gear in place on the center. Also possible to do it on the other side. So there's a mother and a father side. And these inserts there, it's possible to change them. There's a couple of them here in the box with different shapes. And this is the tool to exchange them. So on this really tiny tool here, there should be two pins. There's only one. The other pin is there or not, I don't see it right now, because there's a small thread on the end. Let's zoom out for a moment. So this is the box. It looks very old. And yeah, the tool itself looks like it's in an extreme good condition from all sides. And thank you for watching.